Go.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Dorina Spice. Today I want to show you that I'm preparing some seasoning which I had from the summer to prepare for the winter time for you guys to get to use. So I want y'all to see how I made it. So I want to say I wasn't here for a short while, but I come back to do a more video. And I see you guys in a little bit.
Okay.
Today I'm going to show you how to preserve your seasoning from the end of summer. So here I have here basil. I have over here I have thyme. This one here is oregano. This is oregano, thyme, basil, and this is Guyana basil, which we call they got another name for it, madman, but it's a basil. It's smaller. If you notice the leaf, they're very small, and this is New York basil, which is more of a wider thing, but this one here has a lot of flavor, very highly scented. So yeah, I have some and I have rosemary here, and I have the broadleaf thyme. So I have all these seasoning here, and I want to show you what I'll do with this seasoning, how we're gonna prepare it for the end of season, that you could get it to use all during the winter season. So what I'll do with them now, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wash it, and after I finish wash it, we're gonna put it to dry. But this is gonna be the next step. So now I'm gonna show you how I wash it. So I get a bowl of water here, and you know, you sort out the seasoning to see if you have any bush or whatever on it. So so I'm gonna put all of them in here. If you notice, these are the flowers of it, but I'm not gonna I'm not strip it. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna wash it. If you notice, I'm washing them with all the stem. And there is a reason for that. When this seasoning started to dry, it was easier to dry because it won't fly away with the breeze. This way, when it finished dry, then we strip it. But anyway, I'm just showing you how I'm washing it. I need to get some more water, so I'll be right back. Anyway, so I put a little more water because I want it to be over. The water must be over the top, and then we're gonna we just basically we soak it, and we just make sure there is no sun. You're all gonna go this way. When you wash it like this, if any sand or any dust, it will go at the bottom of the bowl. So when you pick it up, all gonna left at the bottom. So this is a different way of washing it. Just forget the sand and everything out. Anyway, then I'll dip it. So dip it out like this. You put it in a bowl or a calendar, so we can you know, you could dry it as you pick it on the tree, but then it will full of sand and dust. So you see, basically this way now, we take out all of that, and it will be clean. I'm going to show you, for instance, if you look at the bottom of this bowl here, you will see what I'm talking about. If you look closely, I don't know if you could see it, but in there's a lot of sand that settle, and dust that is was sticky on the seasoning. So now I'm gonna give it one more wash. I wash it the same way. This way it's gonna be clean, because right now it's really dusty and full of sand and dust. So we're gonna give it a next wash the exact way, then I'll show you what I'll do after that. So now I got some fresh clean water, and I'm gonna wash it one time more, and I wash it the same way. Okay, so I got all here. I'm washing it. So basically twice you wash it, and then you wash it the same way. All the dust and all the sand would come off of it, and nice and clean. So now we're gonna drain it. You put it in a colander, if you have a colander, or you put it in something that could drain it, get the water out. So now I'm gonna take it out and drain it. At this time, I give it a second rinse, and I'm gonna run it under the pipe, so that if there's any more sand left, I'll take it out. But this anyway, this is how I put it here, and then I'll put it out in the sun. The reason why I leave all of these stem on, when it started to dry, then I'll strip it. This way I'll take it will not blew away from the breeze. And then I want to it's like these are a mixed type of seasoning, so we're gonna use it get all together like that, dry it, and you use it like this. So anyway, I put it to dry. This will take maybe 2 to 3 days, depending on the sun, and when it at that time when it finished, I'll let you guys see how it really turned out nice. So I see you in the next step. Now I drain it in the colander now, and I'm putting it out here to this in this pan for it to dry. So I have to put it out. It may take a few days, and then when it dry, then it will be ready for the next step. So you guys, just after you wash, I show you the next step. Now you see I have there, they all mix, so when it dry, we're gonna have all blend together. See you in the next step. Hello, this is like 3 days into drying this seasoning, and if you notice, it's getting very dry. So well, this is how we want it, and what I'll show you next, what I do, I show you how I'm going to strip this to get it to the seasoning. This is a blend of all those seasoning that I show you. So what I'll do here now, I'll show you. I'm going to start it stripping it like these. You see, this is one here. It's rosemary. or you can pull it that way, but then you go according to the rosemary. This way it's gonna come down faster. Okay, if you do it this way, you see nothing doing, so you have to pull it this way so you can strip it. Like, you don't take this hard stem, but this is how you do it. And then all these you take. These are basil. The seed and everything you take because they're young. They're not like old seed. The dry seed, these are very young seeds. So you're making a blend of all these things. You go according to like how you can get it out fast, according to the way it is. See, for instance, if you go like this, you're gonna come off, right? But the best way to do it is to bring it forward, like downward. So this way you get it to clean better. All right, so I'm gonna show you all of these. When I finish, I'll show you the seasoning, the dry seasoning. So I'll see you in a little bit. If you notice, it's almost stripping out all the stem, and it's getting clean, but I got a few more to pick up, and I want to put it one day more in the sun, which will make it really dry, and then I show you. You see it, look at this right now. You see it's loosened like powder. So I give it one day more sun, and then finish. But right now it's good too. Get a few more stem that I have to take out, and then it's all good. So I see you in the last step when I give it a little more sun, and then it's good. So see you in the next step. So today I want to show you the final stage of the seasoning that I dry. As I showed you before, they have all different blend of the seasoning that I dry, and I just mix all together. So after I took out all the stem, this is the final way it become. Now you could put it into a food processor and pulsinate it about 3-4 times, and you will have, depends on how you want it. If you want it like fine grind, or if you want it a little less, you know, you can do it that way. But I'm going to show you with my hand here right now how it's dry, and you can even though you don't put it in a bullet or whatever you want to grind it with, you can take it with your hand like this. Say you have some here, and you just do it like this, and look how fine it got. But you know, you could get it more fine than that. You would continue to do it like this, or an easy way which you can just put in a food processor and give it a couple pulse, or a bullet to give it a couple pulse, and then you will get really fine. But this way, you could still use it this way by doing it with your hand and sprinkle it on your meat, your fish, in your food. You have all the blend of the seasoning, and trust me, it tastes really great because I do it and I try it, and I want you to know it sounds really great. So this is Zorina Spice. I want to thank you guys for watching. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and enjoy. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. After I grind it in the bullet, magic bullet, I give it about 4 pulse, or you could do it longer. This is how it turned out. Very nice, and I like it this way, so you can able to, you know, sprinkle it on whatever you cook. Very highly scented because these are a blend of all the seasoning I mix, a blend mix. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye bye.